guys, welcome back to another episode of Epicness Vlogs. So my cast is off, so now I am going to clean my bike. I took it out yesterday. As you may know, the back and all that, especially inside of it, look at that. Look at that, all that. So today is the day that I'm going to clean my bike. It's nice and sunny, it's hot, so let's go do this. I have a thing on so you guys can see, so let's do it. Alright, so we're going to take this out to the outside, to the backyard. If I can turn this around. Turn. Oh wow, it's just a fit. Not to mention, this bike is heavy. So, get the hose. Where's that thing? Crap. Thing that goes off the hose. Pretty sure it's right there. We had two, but I guess the other one had a spray in it or a hole. And the other one was new. So we just got this one. This one, I guess. So we're just gonna where is the other one?
Career successes like Red Rocks to battling a cancer diagnosis.
Put it.
Here's a review from Ann Hendricks. This is a book for those who have faith.
It's probably here somewhere. I'm just probably blind as a bat. So we're gonna use this one and put it on the hose. Goes on like that. Hold on. Just goes on like this. Wonder where the other one went. The other one had spring coming out of it. So there we go. So we are going to fill the little tiny bucket up. So gotta get some Sunlight dish soap. You only need like, oh yo, I didn't even realize. Look how it's yellow. Is this even dish soap? Yeah, this is. I didn't realize that. It's yellow. Oops, where are you going? Alright, now turn on the hose. This is probably gonna go everywhere, so I'm probably gonna get wet, but that's why I'm in shorts, but that's okay. That's enough. So now what I'm going to do is, before I actually wash it, I'm going to take the grass out of it because there's just way too much grass. So yeah. Alright, so what I mean by grass is there's grass all the way up in here. In there, especially in there. So what I'm going to do is take my time and I'm going to get dirty real quick, but it's okay. Where is it? Hold up, you guys. It's right here. Like, look at that. Just grass everywhere. So I'm trying to get all this out first. See what I mean by grass? It's all in there. This. I haven't given this bike a good clean in a long time, so she deserves it. Alright. It's all up in here. Yeah, all that. And it's also in the exhaust thing. So, yeah. I'm gonna get this all cleaned. So I got it mounted to my head, so it's easier. I'm looking at. So it's literally all up in this. This is gonna take a long time. Like, it's all up in the chain, bro. It's getting all the grass. Alright, so now it should be good, and I'm gonna wash it with water. At least wash the plastic first, and then all the parts down there. So let's get to that.
Hey, smoking up a J. Think I done fell into.
Alright guys, so now we can clean. So we're gonna try and do this. So I gotta fill this up even more though. Alright. So this call. You know what? That ain't doing it. You know what I'm gonna do? Yeah. Butterfingers. Put this soap back in there. We still got more. No, you know what I was gonna do now is no, that didn't do anything. Okay, so now we don't got any soap. I gotta go get some. And yeah, that didn't work. Yeah.
Much money, they be cutting down the wood. I just smoked out a whole block and they like, Billy, this your hood. You ain't talking about no action, bitch, I'm capping on you lanes. I done popped out of the crib, the camera's flashing, it's insane. Yeah, it's about to change.
So if you guys want to know what I'm using, it's not really products, but it's just like Lemon Fresh Sunlight dish soap. That's all you really need. But you can go check out Erase Products. They have about a lot of different kinds of stuff for use for your ATVs, your dirt bikes, for any stuff like that. But I don't got any of that, but you can go check them out. I'll link them if I can. But yeah, that's literally what I'm using. It works great, just as Erase Products does. But now, there's still grass up in this, so I gotta get all the grass out. It's all in the chain. When it dries, it's easier to take out, I find. So I don't know why I'm cleaning it. You're supposed to be cleaning your bikes, but like I'm the one who rides 24/7, so it normally gets dirty a lot. So, but it's okay. just don't want my stickers to come off. Person, our neighbors. Yeah, like there's dirt all up in the. There's still lots of dirt. Clean water now.
There's no one in my face. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Well, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling just the way I should.
So now I just gotta do this side. You see up all in here. Yeah, I gotta get all the grass out first and clean the back end of that, see? And then you gotta clean like up in there, under the fenders and all that, or the plastic, whatever you wanna call it. But yeah, getting somewhere, at least. So I'm gonna keep on washing and I'm gonna put this on time-lapse mode.
Really for dessert, it's my universe. I get on and never think that I fell into a maze. Yeah, but shawty, I'm okay. Probably there's no one in my face. Well, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling just the way I should.
Alright, you guys, the water's pretty nasty, but I'm getting somewhere. It's getting pretty clean. This bike was like the dirtiest I've ever had. Like, still gotta do more on this side, but it's getting pretty clean. But yeah, that's literally all I use is just this Sunlight Dish soap with just water and a bucket.
I know I'm misunderstood. I don't know, but I really wish you would. Bitch, I really wish you would, wish you would, wish you would. Hey, man, I'm feeling so alive. It don't really matter in the end, we all gon' die. So, well, I'm on this earth, I ain't wasting all my time. But I'll stay alert until I get up out the grind. Yeah, baby, and what? I've been on the rise. Anybody fuckin' with me, everybody dies. And messing with the cool, don't be messing with the guys, girl. I know you were wise, but that shit is suicide. I put them in the cover, hit them with the swerve. You should not just get the money I deserve. Put them in the purse, release for dessert. It's my universe, I get on and never just think that I fell into a maze. Yeah, but shawty, I'm okay. Probably there's no one in my face. Well, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling just the way I should. I know I'm misunderstood. Yeah, I don't know, but I really wish you would. Wish I really wish you would, wish you would, wish you would. Hey.
Alright, you guys, so the water is so dirty. Holy crap. So now we're going to rinse. Look at that. I'm still gonna do some in there, but overall, look at the dirt. Damn. There it all comes. Oh, crap. Oh yeah, look at it. Damn, the shocks are all clean. Look at that. Look at that. She's brand new again. Damn. Look at that. That looks brand new. It's still got grass in it, but I'll get it out. Damn, she's brand new again. Alright, so I'm probably gonna take her into the sun, let it dry, and yeah, overall it looks pretty brand new. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, comment down below, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Putting it in the sun to dry now. Oh, why you coming with me, man? You're not supposed to. Damn, brand new bike, sick. That's like brand spanking new. Let it dry, might take it for a rip later, and it's probably gonna be dirty again, but it's worth it, so